What are protein databases? A protein database is an organized collection of information about proteins, their amino acid sequences, structures, functions, classifications, interactions, and related metadata which scientists use to store, retrieve, analyze and share biological data. These are essential resources in bioinformatics, proteomics, drug design, evolutionary biology, and more. Protein databases range from simple lists of sequences to highly curated knowledge resources with annotation, 3D structures, domain information, family classification, and biological function. Types of protein databases. Protein databases can be broadly classified by purpose and content. 1. Sequence databases. Store primary protein sequences, amino acid strings. UniProt, central, comprehensive protein resource combining curated and automated sequence/annotation data. NCBI protein, sequence collection integrated with GenBank/RefSeq and other sources. RefSeq, refined, non-redundant reference sequences, proteins plus nucleotides. 2. Structure databases. Store experimentally determined 3D structures of proteins and complexes. Protein Data Bank, PDB, global archive for macromolecular 3D structures determined by X-ray crystallography, NMR, or cryo-EM. AlphaFold Protein Structure Database, predicted structures for millions of proteins using AI, AlphaFold 2. 3. Functional/signature/family databases. Provide families, domains, motifs, classifications, or functional predictions. Pfam, protein family database using profile hidden Markov models. Prosid, database of protein domains, families, and functional sites based on patterns/profiles. Interpro, integrates multiple protein signature databases to offer unified domain and functional annotations. 4. Interaction and other derived databases. Derived or secondary resources that combine data to show interactions, classifications, pathways, etc. DIP, database of experimentally determined protein-protein interactions. SCOP and CATH, structural classification of proteins, hierarchical fold and topology classifications. Primary versus secondary versus composite databases. Type. Content. Examples. Primary. Raw experimental data, sequences/structures. PDB, UniProt, primary sequence portion, PIR, SwissProt. Secondary. Curated, analyzed or interpreted data derived from primary. Interpro, SCOP, CATH. Composite. Consolidated, non-redundant collections of data from multiple sources. NR, non-redundant sequences, UniRef clusters. Historical timeline of protein databases. Here's how major developments unfolded over time. 1960s to 1970s, early era. 1965, Margaret Dayhoff publishes Atlas of Protein Sequence and Structure, compilation of known protein sequences, foundational work for later databases. 1971, Protein Data Bank, PDB, established at Brookhaven National Lab as the first repository of experimentally determined 3D structures. 1980s. 1982, Protein Information Resource, PIR, forms, including PIR-PSD, one of the first international protein sequence databases. 1986, SwissProt launched by Amos Barrick to provide curated, high-quality protein sequence data. 1988, Prosid begins documenting protein domains and patterns. 1990s. 1995, Pfam starts collecting protein family alignments with advanced statistical models. Late 1990s, growth in genomic sequencing drives huge increases in protein data leading to automation needs. 2000s. 2002 to 2003, UniProt Consortium forms, EBI, SIB, PIR, merging SwissProt, TREMBL, and PIR-PSD into UniProt as a unified protein knowledge resource. Formation of WWPDB, Worldwide Protein Data Bank established to manage global 3D structure archive, 2003. 2010s to 2020s. 2014, PDB adopts mmCIF, PDBX, as standard format for richer, extensible structural data. 2021 to 2022, AlphaFold Protein Structure Database launches and expands with predicted structures for millions of proteins. Organization and structure of major protein databases. UniProt. UniProtKB/SwissProt, reviewed, manually curated entries with functional annotation, cross-references, variant details. UniProtKB/TREMBL, unreviewed, automatically annotated entries. UniRef, clusters sequences at various identity thresholds to reduce redundancy. UniPark, non-redundant archive of all protein sequences from major sources. Data format, flat file, text, and often downloadable as FASTA sequences, includes extensive metadata blocks. Protein Data Bank, PDB. Content, experimental atomic coordinates for proteins, nucleic acids, complexes. Managed by, Worldwide Protein Data Bank, WWPDB, including RCSB PDB, PDB, PDBJ, BMRB, EMDB. Identifiers, 4-character alphanumeric PDB IDs. File formats. PDB, legacy, fixed column text format. mmCIF/PDBX, updated modern format supporting richer annotations and larger structures, the current standard. PDBML, XML, XML representation. Prosid, Pfam and Interpro. Prosid, uses patterns and profiles to define signatures of domains and functional motifs. Pfam, uses profile hidden Markov models, PMs, to define protein families with seed and full alignments. Interpro, integrates many such signature databases to provide unified domain/family annotations. Formats, often PMs profiles, multiple sequence alignments, MSA, and text/XML annotations. Secondary classification databases. SCOP and CATH, structural classification hierarchies, folds, superfamilies. DIP and string, interaction networks, functional associations. File formats you'll see. Database. Typical file format. Purpose. UniProt. FASTA, flat file text. Sequence plus annotated metadata. PDB. mmCIF/PDB/PDBML. 3D coordinates plus experimental data. Pfam. Alignments. Domain definitions. Prosid. Pattern/profiles text. Motif signatures. RefSec/NCBI. FASTA/text. Reference sequences. Protein databases underpin almost all computational biology workflows, from sequence alignment, BLAST/FASTA, to structure prediction, interaction mapping, domain annotation, and functional inference. Sequencing, structural biology, AI prediction, like AlphaFold, and integration platforms all rely on these organized resources.